Hello, my people of YouTube. Today we are doing a video that was not requested by anyone on this channel, but I felt the need to do this today, okay? I have stumbled across, listings on Etsy upon my researching, and then I got into a whole nother rabbit hole on Etsy, okay? What is that, you may ask? It is the weird and funny side of Etsy, and if you are looking for some good gag gifts, if you're looking for some good white elephant gifts this year for Christmas, let me just say, you are so welcome. Because these are just beautiful listings on the internet. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Heather. I have been selling on Etsy for the past 5 years. I have been a top 1% prior Etsy seller, and now I create tutorials on the internet, so anyone who wants to start selling online from the comfort of their home can do so quite easily with free accessible tutorials online. For those who are not on this channel to sell on Etsy, but you just want to see some really interesting products, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more content like this, and we are going to just get right into it. Let's get into it, guys. Okay, so now I have my laptop out here, and I am going to, we're just gonna jump right into this fun world of Etsy and the things I found that are honestly the cutest and most adorable, hilarious gifts I think I've ever seen. And I stumbled across, I was looking on Etsy and I was just doing research for my tutorials I do on this channel. And then I saw this listing, which is mini cat vomit wet floor signs. This is so adorable, first of all. And then when you click through the product photos, it's literally just such a tiny little thing. Like, this is genius. So on to our next listing. This one is also, it's kind of gross. Okay, skip this if you don't want to see the gross one. But this one, whoever came up with this idea, I just have to give a little round, like the little golf clap. I don't know, this feels like the fancy clap, but this is just hilarious as a gift to give. A little toothpaste squirter thing that's a golden retriever pooping. This one is just, I mean, it's one of those things, like we've seen mustaches everywhere, right? Like we've seen the mustaches, the handlebar mustaches, what have you. But I think this is genius because putting a little mustache on an outlet, this is just something I would do around my house. Maybe I should do like a second part to this and troll my husband. So this is another gift that I thought was really hilarious. Again, more of maybe like a punny office humor gift for coworkers, but last F to give. This is hilarious. Okay, this is a really hilarious idea of last F to give and just giving that to like someone as a white elephant gift. The other one I found, and there's a few of these on Etsy, so there's the S to give. Again, just genius. This is genius. So going on to our next one, there's a shop on Etsy, Lovely Soaps. They sell like a bunch of hilarious types of soaps that you can buy. So one of them was a potato, and you could just put that in your bathroom. So if you're looking for a Halloween gift, I mean, how great of a gift would this be? Like trick-or-treating, you just hand out nose soap to kids. Like, oh my gosh, there's hot dogs. This is so hilarious. Baking soap. This is, I can't. The next area of Etsy that I came into, and this is what started everything, because I was looking up calendars on Etsy for a YouTube video and tutorial, and then I came across the chicken daddies. But this is hilarious, and I thought this was great. Just like guys holding chickens. It's like, again, weird part of Etsy, but it's so hilarious that so many people are looking for this. The next gag gift and white elephant gift for you all is extendable collapsing middle finger, which is, again, a perfect gift. And then the next item I saw that's a really good stocking stuffer is squishy butter sticks. What is this video, guys? So This one I just saw and I was like, why? Why? The Rock Fidget Slug. I don't understand it. This listing literally has over 1,000 sales. It's just a slug of The Rock. And then our last one we are going to end on in this video, the world's smallest violin. This is just so cute. And I say this literally all the time to my family and friends. I'm always like, oh yes, the world's smallest violin is playing in your favor.
Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin.
I need to put this like on a little area in my home, and then I'll just bring it out and I'll say, I will play the world's smallest violin for you. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I will order every single product I showed today and do an unboxing. So if you've made it to the end of this video, I want you to let me know in the comment section by letting me know what product was the funniest in this video. I'm going to try to heart and respond to as many comments as possible. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more content like this. Let me know if you liked this content today, and if you didn't, I won't do it again. But I've had a really fun time making this video. Besides that, I will see you all in the next video here.